Traders, welcome back to the channel. We're going to make this video very quick, short, and to the point. Now, in this video, we're talking a little bit about crypto. Primarily, I'm focused on stocks, specifically on the options into those. But in this video, I'm a man of seeing opportunity. In the last video, I did mention about 2 weeks ago going over SAFEMOON. I mentioned my best friend's wife actually sent me a text message asking about how to buy. And if we look now, SAFEMOON is on the verge of eruption.
It's no money.
So let's see what's going on. If you would have bought in, let's just say, I'm just saying, you would have 2x your position by now. But I think we have a lot more room to go. And could we possibly hit 1 penny? Like, subscribe, do what you got to do. Let's get to it. I'm going to get into the charts here in a second, but I do want to cover some of the news that we currently have upon us. Now, we have Bazinga Pro releasing a lot of information covering SAFEMOON. Now, the way Bazinga Pro operates, and I do recommend using them if you're heavy into doing a fundamental analysis and getting the latest on news articles. I do have an affiliate link down below if you're interested, but no pressure there. But they make it very simple for you to get all news very quickly, and it's a free 14-day trial. You do not need to pay anything to get that trial or even put your credit card on the platform. But getting into this, I do want to show that it's getting that overall news. It's getting that hype. The Wall Street Journal made a post about them. We actually had US News talk about them as well. So big organized companies and big organized news platforms are coming out and showing the attention SAFEMOON needs. Now, there's another thing going on this weekend. We got our boy Elon Musk. He's going on SNL, and I can anticipate people are going to be looking for the next big play like Doge, and SAFEMOON, in my opinion, is the play that is the next potential Doge. Now, I'm not saying we hit 1 penny by the coming week or month. It's going to be a long road there, but this looks like it could be the year of crypto. Last year we had SPACs. Last year we had these up and coming stocks, and it's looking like 2021 may just be the year for investing into crypto for the long term, at least when it comes to the small cap pennies. And SAFEMOON, in my opinion, is looking to be just that. I also want to address the thing that we actually saw in US News. They're actually showing users exactly how to buy SAFEMOON, because it can be a difficult process, but they see that the demand is there, and they see that their users want to know how to get this specific crypto. I'm telling you, they would not be making these articles if there was not demand. SAFEMOON is on their game as well, updating their websites, making a few updates here and there. I like that they're showing an interest to keep the content flowing. You know, there's a lot of influence coming directly onto this crypto, and that's what we like to see. Now, I don't believe we hit that plateau yet. I do believe there is a more large incoming flux of volume coming to this crypto. So let's take a look at the chart. If you want to actually go to their chart, the easiest way to do it, because you can't really find it on TradingView, is you go over to SAFEMOON's website, hit the live chart option right here, and you're going to come and it'll send you right to this page, and then you can kind of just do your charting from here. Now, I typically do all my charting from TradingView, so let's make this as quick and easy as possible. I'm only going to be using price action, no EMAs, SMAs, or anything like that, because right now I don't think that that's too big of a focal point. But what I did mention in the last video is that we were getting that flag that we wanted to see. Right here, we were getting that bullish flag on the downside. However, we did come down pretty low to about 0.0060 zeros and then 1.5. Now, I know it's a lot of zeros, so bear with me. We got a clean break out of this, and now we are moving heavily back to the upside. Now, we want to see if we're going to double top. I would anticipate that this does not double top. Why? Because I'm looking at the volume spiking right here. If this continues to spike, there is no doubt in my mind that it flows just like it did right here. We can see how we're moving. Maybe we don't get the same influx as far as the giant moves and candlesticks that we had on the volume side of things, but it looks extremely strong, and there's no sign of slowing down. So if you're watching this video, it's late Friday night. What is my opinion? Buy, sell, hold, what to do? Now, if you watched the video from the beginning, you probably got in around this range here, 0.00003 or 0.0004. And that's where you may have got your entries. You know, a little bit of wicks. It was a little bit scary, but I did mention this is a hold of a play, because every time you get out of this, you're going to be penalized, which I'll explain here in a second. So you are getting that push. I believe this is going to make a very large push, doubling from where it's at now, maybe even further. I would be targeting that 0.5 4 zeros to the 2 range right here. That would be my short-term target. I do suspect we may get a sell-off after the weekend with Doge happening and Doge Day and the Doge Father and all of that. So make sure you're paying attention to that. But the big things to watch are going to be right here. This volume increase is going to tell you a lot of what's happening, because once we break above this level here, the volume increase will really start to kick in as well. So that's what you're watching for. Okay, so I made that as simple as possible. If you're here on the channel, I usually break down exactly how I chart, how I do my price action, what I'm looking for in specific plays. Now, this is crypto. It's a lot more speculative, so you do need to know that. Also, if you're interested, the Patreon link is down below for every single play I'm entering. That's primarily on the options end of things, and sometimes I do find big winners like this one potentially as well. But you can also check out the YouTube because there's free content every single day posting it, the things that I'm most excited about, and also check out the lives. I do like SAFEMOON, and I see a big influx of volume, like I mentioned, coming on this specific crypto. I'm sure we'll have more updates. If you want more updates on SAFEMOON, please comment down below and I will make sure to push more out. Have a good one, traders. Namaste.